We live with figure and repeat many actions. The process of combining them through the same action is like being came into the center of the vortex. They repeat the same rhythm. There is only a difference of 60 degrees. Do not ignore unusual thoughts. These thoughts may have come from subconscious. Visualize all the details of the familiar object. Mixture of aggregate and admixture for strength. We can see the world with the eyes of P, and we can also see it with the eyes of Q. But if we try to open both eyes at the same time, a line that occurs when a point moves continuously over a plane or within a space. A shape consisting only of a curve does not have a corner. The point moves continuously in a plane or space, a one-dimensional geometric circle connected at the boundaries. In the equator with the greatest radius and strong centrifugal force, gravity is minimized, and gravity is maximized in polar regions where the radius is small and the centrifugal force is small. Finding the wave of the electrons contained in the atoms gives us various wave functions with different energies. The difference there is only 60 degrees. Codements.